So today, we're going to take a look at Radwork, tech rad. You can see within the last hour, it's the token that's performing the most on CoinMarketCap. There are 10 million RAD tokens, so something is definitely happening with RAD. I'm going to analyze it, and then I'll tell you what I'm seeing. So to figure out what RAD is all about, we can click on its Twitter. Actually, what it says, it doesn't have a very extensive following, not a huge base of followers. But what it does state, and let me just, it's about building, you see the Kali eye, development in the future. There's something that's named around the eye. But in any case, it's not pumping heavily, because as we can see from the last 24 hours, it's actually down 27%. There was a bit of a dip in the last hour, but, listen to this. It seems like a solid token. They're talking about artificial intelligence. I don't usually pay attention to that. I really don't focus on that. I'm very much a chart person, and it's that. It's what I trust, as you can see here. So today, we're going to analyze it to see. But we can already see here, straight away, my token scanner is telling me that it's gained 31% today. So we're going to look at it closer. But it's been a bit more intense. Has it gained 31%? It even went up to 46%. And you know what's funny? It came right to the middle of the channel and then pulled back. Aha! So today, we're going to look at that. We're going to go on to the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to tell you that I'm currently working on developing an indicator. Take a look at the Crypto-Quebec indicator. When we arrive here, we push hard for the pullback. It tells us why. Because we are looking for the wicks on the left. All those people who are in the profit zone, when we reach those wicks on the left, it dumps. And then we can see it here, we reach the wicks and then it's bearish. You see,